Hello everyone, welcome to Code Enzyme. And in this video, I will give you a roadmap which you can follow to learn competitive programming in Java. This is for absolute beginners, and even if you have no knowledge, you can follow this. And I have not given any specific links or resources for each topic, because I believe there are plenty of resources on the internet and you can simply Google search about these topics and learn about them. So before starting this video, I would like you to hit that like and subscribe button, and if you have any other topics in mind which I should make a video on, you can feel free to comment it down this video. And so let's get started. So the first thing you need to learn about in Java is the basic syntax and the primitive data types available with you. So you should learn about the size of each data type, the upper limit and lower limit, and the different methods which are provided with them. Then you can learn about arrays, strings, recursion, and simple searching algorithms like linear search and binary search. And now you should understand that sorting in Java in the worst case is big O of n square, and you should learn how to tackle it. Otherwise it may give you a TLE in competitive programming. Now there are three ways to tackle this. First is called ruffle sort. Basically you shuffle the whole array randomly before sorting it, and this will give you an n log n sorting time. Next is you can use merge sort, which has a constant n log n time for sorting. And the third one is using radiac sort, which is the best sorting algorithm. It is about 3 times faster on an average than merge sort, but there is a drawback: it can only sort an array of numbers. So now you should be able to solve some easy problems on platforms like HackerRank or LeetCode, where you just need to implement a function. The next thing you can learn is the oops concept in Java. Just like we code everything in functions in C++, in Java we code everything in objects or classes. That means you will be learning about object-oriented programming, how to pass by value or pass by reference in Java, and things like encapsulation, inheritance, abstraction, and polymorphism. Then you can learn about packages and interfaces in Java. So you will be learning about information hiding and the scope in Java. You will learn how to extend classes and interfaces and how to override methods. Now you can implement a bit complex data structures, like one is the very basic pairs. So you should be able to make pairs in Java. Try making an array of pairs and sorting it by the first value or the second value by changing the override method. The next thing you can learn about is the IO streams in Java. The default scanner class in Java is too slow for competitive programming. Even if your logic is correct, it might give you a TLE. So you can use the other two. One is using the buffer reader, or you can make a user-defined fast reader. I personally use the fast reader, so my template code looks a bit bigger, and you can even try it. So now that you have sufficient knowledge, you can make your own template. So before that, you can watch this video on VS Code setup that I made previously, and after watching it, you can come back and make your own template. I have attached my Java template in the description below this video. You can open it and copy it, and now in your VS Code, go to settings, user snippets, and open java.json, and in that you can paste it. Here are few of the methods like ruffle sort, merge sort. I have made separate template for normal template, competitive CP template, and some other. You can read that here and try to understand it. Feel free to modify it the way you like. Now you should learn about the collection framework in Java. If you don't learn about this, you will always feel inferior to the C++ coders and probably leave it in some time. And most of the Java coders don't learn it properly. This collection framework is so powerful that sometimes it can even give you an edge over other programming languages like C++ or Python. Once you learn this collection framework, you can now try implementing something like multiset in C++ using the tree set in Java. And now that you are very familiar with Java, there are very few topics remaining, and you can learn about graphs, trees, segment trees, upper bound, lower bound, and other algorithms in Java. There is no end to learning, and from now on you can follow your own path and extend your learning. You can learn about topics like multi-threading, networking, and database connectivity, and so on. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you learned something new, kindly like this video, subscribe to my channel, and thank you. I will see you guys next time.